11.24S2 leaked requirements suggest AI Explorer is limited to ARM PCs. You will need on ARM64 processor like the Snapdragon X Elite with NPU, 225 GB of storage SSD and up to 16 GB of RAM to use Windows 11 version 24S2 highly anticipated AI Explorer, while Windows 11 24S2 as most of new feature will work on all PC. You will need the new Snapdragon X Elite chip to try the AI Explorer. So that exactly is an AI Explorer, and why does it need Snapdragon X Elite to deliver on the promises? First and foremost, AI Explorer has nothing to do with the File Explorer. Instead, it's similar to the Windows 10 timeline feature. It will try to log everything you do know on your PC, such as your task, meetings, browsing history, and email, and make them searchable. It could be similar to a personalized AI for your PC in many ways. The best part, it will work locally and won't send your data to Microsoft, we hope. As a result, Microsoft plans to make the feature exclusive to powerful AI PCs such as a Snapdragon X Elite. Microsoft has already confirmed that 2024 will be the year of AI PC. This PC will pack an NPU that will take care of all the AI-based tasks on the device. Surface device with Intel AI CPU have already launched a few weeks back. However, a recent finding reveals that the much-hyped AI Explorer won't be available for all PCs. We already know that AI Explorer needs an NPU to work. Intel, AMD, and upcoming Snapdragon X Elite processor have that component. But that won't be enough for all the AI feature. In our test, we observed that X Elite, the NPU, beats all the rivals for a significant margin. Al Bekor recent post on X, formerly Twitter, also described that the AI Explorer will only work on Snapdragon X Elite processor. The researcher found a document in the Windows 11 build 26100 listing all the requirements for AI Explorer. An ARM64 processor, Snapdragon X Elite 8380 with NPU QCOM0D0A, 225 GB storage, 16 GB of RAM. As shown in the above screenshot, AI Explorer code string suggests it is designed to look for Snapdragon X Elite processor with the appropriate NPU ID. This could mean many users with newer hardware won't be able to try the AI Explorer feature, including the Intel Core Ultra or AMD Ryzen 7000 8000 series. At the same time, it's possible this requirement would be limited to the initial launch of the device, and Microsoft will bring AI Explorer to other NPU PC at some point in future. Microsoft is trying to highlight Snapdragon X Elite performance and present it as the best choice for an AI PCs. Multiple OEM have confirmed their upcoming PC lineup powerful by the Snapdragon X Elite, making them worthy of the Windows 11 24S2 AI Explorer feature. Microsoft also plans to release the consumer edition of already released Surface devices with Qualcomm AI processor. Another interesting requirement revealed in the list of requirements is the minimum RAM. 16 GB will become the new norm of AI capable of running all the upcoming Windows 11 feature. AI Explorer will remain exclusive for Snapdragon PCs. Al Bekor finding highlights Microsoft intent to slowly transition user to ARM PC, which it touts as the future of computing. Microsoft is hopeful that most of the new PC in the market will debut with an NPU chip and contribute to the OS growth in the long run. The adoption rate of Windows 11 is currently lower than expected by Microsoft. It may take some time for AI powered PC wave to gain momentum.